have a very special episode on grilling. That's right, grilling. Got to make sure we have our utensils, hand protection, don't want to get burned, meat thermometer, and sauce is the boss. Got to have some A1. Let's get out there and check on the grill. I love a good greasy roast. Smell the grease. See how she's doing. Yep. Take the temperature here. Yep, right around 600. Been going for a good 25 minutes or so here. We do want to make sure we rotate, but not more often than needed. Check on that again in a few minutes. This has been plasma cut off the front of the transfer case. I'm going to drill holes where these notches are inside here. Not to touch the gear. That already coming out. The final step here, just as a safety precaution, is shut off the grill, set that gear on there, let that cool with the grill, just so it cools nice and slow.